Hello, traders out there in Traderland. It's Monday. Welcome to May 2nd, 2011. This is the post-market video. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. Markets in the day in negative territory. This is right after us killing Osama bin Laden, who headed up the Al-Qaeda network, and almost 10 years ago, not being the head guy responsible for 9/11 tragedy. And you would thought that that would have set the markets up. And actually, last night, when the news broke, futures shot up by 1%. That's a big move for aftermarket hours. And it has since, started off bullish today, and then the market simmered down. We saw the VIX up quite a bit. Let's look at this. Dow ended the day almost at break even. The Russells was the big news. It lagged the broad markets all day long, down 1.2%. So you see people fling small caps, those deemed being riskier trades. You have the NASDAQ down 0.33%, which also showed a bigger dip than the S&P and the Dow. S&P down 0.18%. The banks lagged the broad markets all day long. Right out of the gates, the financials were weak. And in the trading room, I just said, man, things look very ominous. I'm not sure we can sustain these highs. And I wasn't surprised at all to see us go into negative territory. The banks down 0.84%. Huge spike in the VIX, up 8.54%. Gold, silver, take it on the chin. You have the US dollar up ever so much, 0.10%. Crude oil down 0.5%. Transportation did drop finally after its major run it's been on. So here we are taking a look here at the S&P daily, and we have what type of reversal pattern. Kind of looks like a shooting star, doesn't it? However, to be a textbook shooting star, your upper shadow has to be 2 times or more of that of the body. Don't quite have that, but we do have, which a lot of people might say is an engulfing pattern, which is not, because we did not close lower than the body of the previous candlestick, but we do have what's called a dark cloud cover. So if you guessed dark cloud cover, you are right. With a big upper shadow, that's an ominous move, gang, especially after a 7-bar run to the upside at a resistance point. If you didn't watch the weekend video, it's going to take up about 18 minutes of your life, but it'd be the best 18 minutes you have ever spent when it comes to your market education. We're in this massive rising wedge. You can see it here. We're at a major resistance point. This level here is not to be ignored, and in the face of the triumph killing of Osama bin Laden, we are seeing some damage. If you go down here to the MACD centered oscillator, we have a negative tick here on the 0 line. On the histogram, that shows that we do have a crossover taking place. Anytime you get a crossover, expect some down movement. We got a crossover here, we dropped, and we dropped. We get a crossover here, and we dropped. We get a crossover here, and we whatever. So it will be whatever it will be. So we need to watch this very closely and not get too antsy here. And so on the Stock Picks V newsletter, we do have some bearish picks that are starting to trigger here, and you might want to look into some of those. However, we're making higher swing highs, higher swing lows. Very, very risky to be going bearish in a bullish market, but it looks like we have an opportunity here now that we're in the month of May. Trade until May and go away. We're in May. A lot of people are saying just sell your stocks right now, let the markets bottom out a little bit, and then come back later. So that's where we're at. Stay very close to what we're doing here at Grok Trade and the videos that we're giving you in the very latest on technical analysis. And if you haven't done so, I give you breaking news on an ongoing basis on Facebook, facebook.com/Grok Trade. I log in immediately anytime breaking news comes in that I see, and I post that for all to get. So The videos come out on a timely basis, very regimented. But if you want breaking news or thoughts as the markets, reveal themselves to us, be sure to hook up with us there at Facebook. Take care, safe trading to you, and I wish you the very best. Looking forward to tomorrow morning pre-market video.